There you go.
Uma muthenya uria Akenya makoretwo makiona ta utagakinya uria watho wa kunina uthondeki uhuthiri na wendio wa maratathi ma minyore ukwambagiriria na ruhonge rwa kugacirithia maundu maria maturigiceirie NEMA ni rutabanirie birigiceni ya kurora kana muingi ni urarumirira watho uyu. Maofitha a ruhonge ruru ni macerire nduka-ini undu umwe na iganda-ini itiganite kurora kana watho uyu ni urarumirirwo.
Let's do it then.
Kuringana na murugamiriri munene wa ruhonge rwa NEMA Jeffrey Wahungu, umuthi uma muthenya wa kumenyithia muingi megi watho uyu.
The most important thing, as we said, it is very difficult for us to deal with anybody who has not declared stocks, because we don't know what they are producing and we do not know how to assist them or go the way forward.
Wahungu ni arauga aria mari na maratathi ma minyore micini yao no mamihuthire gukorwo magikira takataka kana mamitware nduka-ini nene kuria megukorwo makiunganirio.
If you are not selling, if you are not a retailer, they are just at home, continue taking out garbage in them until you get rid of them. But the best solution, if you want a quick fix on this, and that is what we all wish for, start on Wednesday to recycle them by taking them back to Uchumi, Nakumatt or Tuskys.
Murugamiriri wa nduka nene ya Uchumi Capital Center Peter Kimeu ni augire ni mehariririe gucenjia kuma kuri uhuthiri wa minyore na ni megukorwo makiheana mihuko ya gwikira indo ithenya-ini ria kumiendia.
At the moment you are selling the bags. As we continue, we hope that moving forward that will be taken care of.
Ona kuri oguo ni kuri na uregani munene kuma kuri aruti wira iganda-ini makiuga miturire yao irorete guthinikana kumana na kuhingo kwa iganda cia uthondeki wa minyore. Nao ene iganda cia uthondeki wa minyore ni maima na mawoni matiganite.
We don't have any other product to make, only the polythene, and you see even the printing, they not given us exactly what we going to do. That is also we waiting.
Muthia watho wa kuhurana na maratathi ma minyore ni ukorirwo ukirugurio muthenya wa umuthi kuria Akenya aingi maroneka gukorwo marumirire watho uyu na ona nie ndinatigwo na thutha guka ni kurumirira. Ngiribotera Kameme TV ndi muciini munene wa Nairobi, njitagwo Wanjiru wa Njuguna.